Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro and we're going to show you how to change the language, and most importantly we're going to show how to change from a language you don't understand into a language you do understand. So for example, you just got this phone online and it comes to you in Chinese, or someone plays a prank on you and changes your phone. We'll show you how to switch it back to something that you can read. So first of all, look for the settings menu. We're going to go from English to something else first. So look for the settings menu. It's the gear. And then you want to go down to General, which is also a gear. And then here you have Language and Region, so click on that. And here your phone language, in this case it's English. Let's switch it to, let's say, traditional Chinese, which I actually can read, but let's just do that. And it says in Chinese that it's switching language, and here you are. So now the iPhone is set to Fanti Zhongwen. Okay, so now we have it in Chinese and we've closed the settings app, so you have to start over from scratch. And let's try to do it again without being able to read anything. So you want to look for the settings menu, which is that gear. So in the default position, it's over here, but it might be somewhere else on your phone. Basically, it's that gear thing. Click on it. And don't forget that we want to find the general, which is also a gear, a little bit simpler gear. And in Chinese, it actually says Ipan. Okay, so here we are in the general, and you have to find the languages. And in this case, there's no icons, which is kind of bad. But it's not the first section, it's not the second one with the AirDrop, AirPlay, etc. Not this one with the iPhone, but the next section down. Above VPN, there's this section, and this one is actually languages. So in Chinese, it looks like this. In Simplified Chinese, it's very similar. Japanese, a little bit similar. Other languages, maybe not so much luck. So basically, up from VPN, basically 2, and click on that guy. Okay, so now let's pick the language. You might see English here already because we just switched it from English, but in this case, just go to the first one and that'll give you the full list of all the different possible languages. Because we switched from English US should be right up at the top, but you might have to hunt and see it a little bit lower, but yeah, all kinds of different English. Let's just pick US English again and ask you to confirm. So this is US English, and then setting language, and boom, we're back into regular English, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you change a language on an iPhone 12. This is basically the same for almost anything that's using iOS 14. So actually 13, 12, they're all pretty much the same, but that's how you do it in this particular case. Okay, so see you guys next time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If this helped you out, please leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. Okay, bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.